Good evening, Mr. Turrentine. My name's Kelly Holland. I'm with Google. Wanted to stop by and talk to you today about some exciting new things that we have going on that we'd like to maybe share with you. I'd like to ask you a couple of questions first. So, at Xerox, you guys believe in innovating the way the world connects, communicates, and works, right? Like that's in your mission statement. Well, with that statement in mind, what variety of obstacles do you have when trying to close new accounts? And what do companies who you already work with need in order to replace the already great products you've provided? How about new accounts? What sets you apart from other big name office tech companies? I see. I mean, considering how long Xerox has been in business, it'd come as no surprise to me that keeping up with the new and significant innovations in IT and hardware is not a really new thing for you. The question becomes, how do you stay relevant in an age when the newest tech becomes outdated in a matter of months, if not sooner? Large companies only purchase new fleets of computers, every 5 to 7 years, or when they absolutely have to upgrade because things are just too slow. Keeping up with the trends would just be too much overhead. I'm sure the printing world's the same. Customers likely replace machines when their maintenance becomes too frequent or costly, or if something new and special comes along to solve additional problems. Am I right? Well, much like computer fleets, I guess your clients have the option to lease hardware for a number of years, and then if it's returned in fair condition, they can take on a new lease for new equipment. But that means, too, that for some of your major accounts, your contact is limited during the term of the lease unless there's a warranty call, and that probably reduces the amount of service you can provide to a client, keeps you off of their mind, and in turn reduces revenue in the interim. I suppose you guys probably spend more time prospecting and trying to obtain new clients and creating new opportunities for revenue with those tried and true clients you've had for years then. Well, what if I told you we could provide you with a custom tailored operating system that's works for all of your new products. It can come straight out of your factory on the products. And the same solutions could be extended to machines that are already owned or leased from your clients, giving you a new stream of revenue while also simplifying more of their in-house problems. Or how about a solution you can sell with the hardware that will prevent all the downtime workers experience when on-site networking and IT people have to get them connected to your devices? The product that I'm talking about is our new Android suite called Android Office Anywhere. Now, what Android Office Anywhere is an operating system for office devices like printers, 3D printers, MFPs, scanners, copiers, fax machines, even phones. It provides a slick, familiar, easy-to-use touchscreen, capable command center for all of the workflow. The operating system can interface with smartphones, computers, PDAs, tablets, any device that you might have in the office that's considered smart through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, respectively. And then once it's been installed on the client's network, it automatically interfaces with all of the other network devices, allowing for any credentialed user to access it for jobs without the hassle. Credentialed users can then access any of the machines from the office or on the go through their laptop, tablet, smartphone, PDA, whatever they happen to use. Say they've got a meeting in Chicago in the morning and they found out something that night with the client, that needed to cause a change in their presentation. And then say someone else back at their home office had to be in this meeting via conference call. They can send the updated presentation overnight to the device, printer, whatever, at the new or back at home at the office with a secure release, and then that will provide a pin, and then with one touch, someone on their contacts, say Jim at the office that's going to be on the call, can have that document in the morning by entering the pin. They'll just print it right off. You can also select other contacts, add anyone who needs it, and they'll all receive the pin with one touch. So that's a pretty good feature. It also stores a history of all the jobs in the cloud, so anything that you've ever printed, you'll have access to in case you need it as a backup. Securely, of course. And it's set up to provide end users with a physical location in the building, so it kind of cuts down on the hassle you have in bigger offices when there's many printers connected to your device and they all have some weird 17-character naming convention. So you have to memorize which one is in which physical location. This takes away all of that problem. In addition to all the standard features, the software can be tailored and personalized to whoever's using it. The uniqueness of each personalized package is a great selling point for your clients as well. We'll also provide full software support for anyone who uses the software on your products. And you can count on master developers to take out the coding and development work for you, letting you guys at Xerox focus on the important innovations you make every day in the printing and 3D printing world. So, if you were to, buy into this new software that we have, you could think of this purchase as a partnership. You handle building the equipment, and we'll take care of the software. This also provides an additional revenue stream from your current clientele, and we can create solutions for your older products so it can be sold standalone. New clients will also love how easy it is to use. And, the problems it solves in their day-to-day endeavors will be great for really any company. And if things are to your liking in a year, perhaps we can even partner on, some completely new innovations together. So what we can actually provide is operating systems for all of your printing hardware that remove the hassle of networking, have easy-to-use functionality from everywhere, they keep data secure and allow for additional encryption when necessary, and they're easy to use for users of any skill level. The software can increase Xerox revenues by overcoming objections that, many prospects may present that were previously unsurpassable, and by solving problems that even modern printing solutions have yet to address. Software also pairs to a line of apps for all possible devices, offering unlimited control to the users, and it's fully supported from a technical standpoint without Xerox having to lift a finger. Should create, new steady revenue with all the support and things you don't have to pay for anymore. And it may even awaken old sources of revenue for the company. Thank you.